In this film, we're going to show you a simple way to measure your kitchen so you can easily tackle the planning stage. You'll need blank sheets of paper, A4 is perfect. First, make a sketch of your kitchen's floor layout, including the position of any fixtures that will remain, and the position of the door plus the direction in which it opens. Add details of any items such as alcoves. It is useful to take photos on your camera phone or digital camera to help anyone else working with you on the project to visualise your room. Next, you'll need to make a sketch of each wall, including the position of any windows, electrical fittings, gas cooker point, radiators, air vents or extractor fans, and any other fixed objects that it will be necessary to work around. Start by measuring between each fixed point in the room. This means measuring the distance from the edge of the door frame architrave to the corner of the room to the window reveals, and so on. Measure the size and position of all fixed objects and record the dimensions as you go. Pick a starting point and work clockwise from it to make sure that you don't miss anything out, and measure everything twice. You'll also need to measure the room's height and any other vertical distances until the whole room is mapped. Don't be tempted to stand on existing worktops or a chair when measuring at high level. Always use a stepladder when taking high level measurements. Now you have accurate diagrams of your kitchen ready for planning its new look. Another consideration in the kitchen is the potential location of an extractor hood, should your new layout require one to be fitted. You'll need to be able to run a duct to the outside unless you select an extractor hood with a carbon filter. It is also important to know in this planning stage where your water stop tap or electrical fuse board is. Remember that the measurements are what's important here, not the drawing. As long as your diagram is clear and the numbers are correct, you don't need to produce a work of art. Our design consultants can help you create your plan. For more ideas and know-how, visit DIY.com.